Ethereum cost especially equivalent to $1,910.19 a coin. Truly, as opposed to prevalent thinking, the present exchange cost range, $1,892.89 $1,923.29 in an unpretentious way. The earlier day close, $1,902.15 in an unobtrusive way. The change in every practical sense was plus 8.04, plus 0.42%, which generally is genuinely huge. Backwards rate, USD to ETH in a significant way. Ethereum value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost $18.12, exceptionally greatest $19.39, really least $16.85, which generally is genuinely huge. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, May 9, cost $19.26, extremely greatest $20.61, beautiful least $17.91 in a huge way. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost $18.99, extremely greatest $20.32, sort of least $17.66. Exceptionally further appearance how the change in every practical sense was plus 8.04, plus 0.42%, or so they explicitly thought. Ethereum estimate on Thursday, May 11, cost $19.33, truly most extreme $20.68, by and large least $17.98 in an unpretentious manner. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, May 12, cost $19.75, most certainly greatest $21.13, extremely least $18.37, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. And multi-week Ethereum conjecture on Monday, May 15, cost $19.34, fundamentally most extreme $20.69, sort of least $17.99, which truly is very huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, May 16, cost $18.95, in every practical sense, greatest $20.28, exceptionally least $17.62, which basically is very critical. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, May 17, cost $19.12, greatest $20.46, in every practical sense, least $17.78 in an extremely enormous way. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, May 18, cost $18.95, especially greatest $20.28, most certainly least $17.62, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ethereum conjecture on Friday, May 19, cost $19.38, certainly greatest $20.74, in every practical sense, least $18.02, which most certainly shows that Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost $18.12, truly greatest $19.39, especially least $16.85, which generally is very huge. In about 14 days Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, May 22, cost $19.38, truly most extreme $20.74, truly least $18.02, which sort of is very huge. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, May 23, cost $19.63, by and large greatest $21.0, in every way that really matters, least $18.26, which sort of is very critical. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, May 24, cost $19.42, lovely most extreme $20.78, exceptionally least $18.06 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum figure on Thursday, May 25, cost $19.30, genuinely greatest $20.65, lovely least $17.95, or so they sort of thought. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, May 26, cost $19.56, for the most part greatest $20.93, sort of least $18.19, or so they sort of thought. In 3 weeks Ethereum gauge on Monday, May 29, cost $18.61, really most extreme $19.91, especially least $17.31 in an essentially large way. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, May 30, cost $18.67, most extreme $19.98, least $17.36, which by and large is genuinely huge. Ethereum estimate on Wednesday, May 31, cost $17.18, beautiful greatest $18.38, truly least $15.98 in a huge way. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, June 1, cost $17.42, truly most extreme $18.64, genuinely least $16.20, which basically is very critical. Ethereum gauge on Friday, June 2, cost $17.06, extremely greatest $18.25, essentially least $15.87, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. In about a month Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, June 5, cost $17.29, by and large greatest $18.50, for the most part least $16.08 in a huge manner. Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, June 6, cost $17.21, kind of most extreme $18.41, genuinely least $16.01 in a kind of significant manner. USD to ETH swapping scale commonly equivalent to 0.5235 coins per $1,000 in an unobtrusive manner. Today, S reach 0.5199-0.5283 in a very significant way. The past day, S nearby 0.5257 incredibly. Change for now 0.0022, 0.42%. USD to ETH cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which for the most part is very critical. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Monday, May 8, cost 0.552 coins, especially most extreme 0.593, in every practical sense, least 0.516, which by and large is genuinely critical. USD to ETH forecast on Tuesday, May 9, cost 0.519 coins, especially greatest 0.558, lovely least 0.485 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, May 10, cost 0.527 coins, by and large most extreme 0.566, truly least 0.492, which really is genuinely critical. USD to ETH forecast on Thursday, May 11, cost 0.517 coins, truly greatest 0.556, fundamentally least 0.484, especially further appearance how the earlier day close, 1,902.15, or so they thought. Dollar to Ethereum estimate on Friday, May 12, cost 0.506 coins, most extreme 0.544, least 0.473, which sort of is very huge. In multi-week USD to ETH expectation on Monday, May 15, cost 0.517 coins, by and large greatest 0.556, most certainly least 0.483. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Tuesday, May 16, cost 0.528 coins, really greatest 0.568, truly least 0.493, which generally shows that Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, May 30, cost $1867, truly most extreme 1998, especially least 1736, in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. USD to ETH expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost 0.523 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.562, least 0.489, which really shows that USD to ETH expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost 0.523 coins, in every practical sense, greatest 0.562, exceptionally least 0.489, or so they sort of thought. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Thursday, May 18, cost 0.528 coins, beautiful most extreme 0.568, genuinely least 0.493, which certainly is genuinely huge. USD to ETH forecast on Friday, May 19, cost 0.516 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.555, exceptionally least 0.482. In about 14 days, dollar to Ethereum gauge on Monday, May 22, cost 0.516 coins, by and large greatest 0.555. For the most part least 0.482, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. USD to ETH expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost 0.509 coins,